Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for returning. For those who are new here, I'm Sharita. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I spent my Sunday. I went to the market and got some weekly shopping. Here are the things which I got from the market. I also went to the supermarket and got some stuff here and there. So these are the things that I got. This is, I've got sweet potatoes. This is rice. These are beans. Have got this and the black salt. I've got sing. I got a carpet from a local market. It was so cheap, so I'm going to try put it here in the sitting room. I always wanted a carpet which would match with my curtains or the decor. Of course, you know my sofas are black, and I always wanted something light. And you know the recent carpet, the old carpet that you're seeing down, it's a little bit of brown, and you know it's not just matching with the decor, and you know, but I didn't want to buy something expensive, because you know, I'm still thinking of changing the color of the the cushions, not even the cushions, the old sofas. Yeah, we want to get a new set of sofa because this is very old. As you can see, even the black is just fading off. Are you seeing the black is just fading? So I just went ahead and put the new carpet on top of the old carpet because anytime I'm just removing it, with the kids, you cannot keep a light carpet for a week. So the good thing about it, it is washable, and I just went for it because it was so light, and you can just grab it and just put it in the machine, and yeah, that's why I went for it. And after that, I just went and changed my clothes and to put on some easy clothes, and went to the kitchen to prepare something. On Sundays we always want to eat some nice snacks, or sometimes we do barbecue, sometimes we do deep fried chicken. So today I'm going to try make KFC, so stay tuned and you see some the recipes which I'm going to use, the ingredients which I'm going to add in, and you can pick something out of it. And I made some snacks, as you're going to see as well, and they came out so tasty. So stay tuned, and and please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please leave a comment. You leave a comment. And another thing, of course, more is coming. So if you're here and you're interested in home decor, cooking, organizing, cleaning, decluttering, gardening, everything, just stick onto this channel. I'm going to bring everything to you because really I'm a homemaker and I start home, so I do everything here. So just subscribe, like, comment. Of course, don't forget to leave a comment. I'll appreciate really. And for those who have just returned, thank you so much for returning, for always being here with me. And the new ones here, I'm Sharita. You're most welcome here. I'm boiling Irish and I'm adding some salt to it for taste. Then I'm going to go ahead and mash the Irish. After mashing the Irish very well and make sure it is so soft, I'm going to add in the cornstarch or corn flour. Then after that, I'm going to roll my the mixture of Irish and cornstarch here. As you can see me make a round, a round chapati, and I'm going to fold in the chapati and cut. After making my Irish snack, I went ahead and fried the KFC chicken, and the process of adding flour, I didn't show it because my battery was so low, but after marinating my chicken, I went ahead and added flour on it. Yeah, that's how I did it. That's why you're seeing it with flour on top. Yeah, this is after frying it, fried until it is golden. Yeah, and now lunch is served. Guys, this was so very tasty. Try it out, and the chicken was so very yummy as well. So let's enjoy our lunch, and thank you so much for watching up to the end. See you in another video very soon. Have a great day. Goodbye. Yum, 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 yum.